All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to make this little quick video. This is kind of a side video on a project that I'm working on. I'm turning this Gibson Custom, well, I should say Chipson. So right away, this is not a real Gibson, but there's another video coming where I do this whole process. But I ran into a snag and I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to do this. So basically what happened was I ordered this, everything was gold on here, as you can see. I ordered this new bridge, new tailpiece, and I was hoping to use the bushings that were already in there since they're silver. But unfortunately, you get about 3 turns in and it doesn't fit. So I already measured everything for the new bridge, so I have to take the bushings out and, use these bushings that came with it. Obviously, you can see I took one out already. So I'm just going to show you a quick way that I did it without any special tools, and it didn't hurt the guitar or anything like that. Let me just grab forgot my magnet here. So what you're going to do, I have a little screw in here. Okay, so I got this little screw here, right? It's just a little tiny screw, enough to fit in there. We're going to put the bolt side down. So you just drop it in there with the head down. Make sure you get one that fits right in there. You don't want anything sharp, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab, what happened to the other one's in there. So let me go into my parts bag here. Sorry, I'm doing this on you don't even need anything special. I guess I wasn't prepared for this, huh? I did the other side, but there it is, okay. So you can use the same thing that was in there already. So this, right, the tailpiece bolt. Now and a screwdriver. Now I put a couple pieces of tape on here as to not, mar the finish. If you're not planning on reusing this again, I don't plan on reusing it, but just in case I get a wild hair and decide. So you're gonna screw it in, right? Get it in there. It's already in. So what we're gonna do is, wrong one. Sorry about that, see? Amateur hour over here. So you put it in right on top of your bolt, keep screwing it down, right? Screw it down, keep going until it stops. And we hit the screw, okay. So we hit the screw. So basically all you're gonna do is just screw it down until the bolt pops up, or the bushing will pop up. That's exactly what I did on the other one. And you'll see that it just lifts out pretty easily. It's hard to do this camera. Come on. Right, you can't see it from here, but you'll see, I can see it from here that it's already lifting out. Right, just turn, keep turning. You can see, let me show you. See how it's coming out. Right, no finish issues, no craziness. Nothing fancy. Sorry, there's a guy across the street. All right, so it won't turn no more. You should just be able to pull it out. Of course, this one doesn't want to come out, but the other one came right out. Isn't that always the way with YouTube, right? Well, you can see though, it's pretty much out. I just have to get it out there. Might have to use a pair of pliers or something. Oh, there we go. Just pulled it right out. So that's it. And now the bolt is the bottom. You just grab your little magnet and get it out. And that is it. There's your screw. Hopefully that helps some people. I'm sure you have some screws laying around. You don't need special tools. And now I will put this in there and proceed from there. Thanks for watching.